Early humans found ways to count people long before numbers existed. In small groups, individuals were recognized by memory, but as communities grew, physical markers like stones, sticks, or notches became useful stand-ins for people. These simple tools helped early societies manage group size, share resources, and maintain order when memory alone was no longer enough. With the rise of agriculture and permanent settlements, counting methods became more organized. Tally marks carved into wood, bone, or stone allowed people to track crops, livestock, and labor. These marks represented quantities in a reliable way, helping early villages plan for seasons, trade surplus goods, and support growing populations. Counting was no longer just survival, it became management. Ancient Mesopotamia introduced more advanced systems using clay tokens and markings to record people, labor, and resources. Artifacts like the Ishango bone suggest an early understanding of arithmetic, showing that humans were beginning to think mathematically. In Egypt and China, rulers conducted early censuses based on households to collect taxes, organize labor, and manage armies. Over time, written records and numbering systems transformed simple headcounts into powerful tools of governance. Modern censuses are the result of this long evolution, proving that the need to count people has always shaped human civilization.